Welcome to another car camping adventure with myself, Brent, and my dog Goldie back there. We're going to be going to check out Slab City. There's my friend Ron, and then Sarah's over here. We're just getting ready to take off. If you remember in the last video, there's the Denny's across the street that burnt down, unfortunately. That's too bad. Just kind of making our way into where Slab City is right now. Somebody had a fire. Holy buckets. We're gonna get out, we'll walk around, do some exploring, check this place out. We need to leave Goldie in the car, so leave the car running, turn the air conditioner on, and we're gonna go do some exploring here.
Salvation Mountain is a hillside visionary environment created by artist Leonard Knight. The artwork is made of adobe bricks, discarded tires and windows, automobile parts, and thousands of gallons of paint. The Folk Art Society of America declared it a folk art site worthy of protection and preservation in the year 2000. How cool is that? What a very interesting place.
That was pretty interesting, checking out the area that we were just looking at with all the Bible verses. I thought that was really cool myself. Slab City, welcome. So far, from what I can tell, there's just like nomads everywhere. This is so cool. We're just kind of driving through now and just checking everything out. Skate park and a library, donations. I think we're heading for House of Dots. I'm not sure, to be honest with you, where we are going. I'm just following. What an interesting place. So, holy buckets. A little bit of a traffic jam here. I'm gonna kind of walk around, check some things out. Check out that plane. What's up, Goldie? That's cool. All kinds of cool sculptures.
Most important rule we have is everything is touchable. If you touch it and it breaks, we blame it on the artist. We say the artist used shoddy workmanship when they made it, or it wouldn't have broke when you touched it. You're all mature adults, you're not going to break something on purpose. Therefore, it's a dumb rule. So go ahead and touch. All right. Other stuff. We have a pirate ship. You can climb on it. We have swords. You can have a sword fight. You could lose an eye, you could lose two eyes, we don't care. It's all right. We have a 12-foot high seesaw. Skinny white and red. Yeah, yes, it works.
Okay.
It takes 3 people to get 2 people on the seesaw. It helps if one of them has passed Physics 101. If not, it can take 5 or more to get 2 people on the seesaw. Fortunately, I am a certified enabler. I am right here to help you dumb things like get on 12-foot high seesaw.
We're just gonna kind of walk around and explore and check this place out a little bit. Come on, Goldie. She's got all kinds of stuff to sniff today. This bottle wall is so interesting. These are all glass bottles. So cool, look at that. And it just keeps going. Check out this camper van. Mint, huh? Look at that. Back in the day it was pretty mint, that's for sure. Dang. Wall of TVs. This place is pretty interesting, walking around and checking everything out. Nice thing I can bring Goldie with, have her on her leash, thankfully. There's so much stuff here, you can spend hours walking around and looking at it. Hopefully you enjoyed some of that we shared with you of this little area we've been walking around. On to the next thing. We are getting out of here, leaving Slab City. What an interesting place. Definitely would recommend coming and checking this out. And where we're off to now, I'm not 100% sure because I'm just following the other two. Goldie, you hang out. We're at Bombay Beach. Salton, what is this? Salton Sea. Smells like a bunch of dead fish around here is what it smells like. All kinds of camper vans and stuff parked down over that way. Definitely has a funny odor in the air. You could smell the dead fish, dead birds. Stinks. Now we're trying to find a place where we can all camp out tonight.
There's lots of places.
All kinds of places, they said. I haven't looked. I'm just following these. I'm the third wheel. Definitely a pretty view with the mountains and stuff in the background. I don't think it would be a bad place to stay if you didn't mind the smell. Beautiful view though. That was an awfully interesting place to check out. I know I didn't film a lot there. It stinks there, and we didn't stay very long. Now we're gonna take off and go look for a camping spot. The other two have picked out a spot. I'm just gonna follow along. Away we go. Just gonna be leaving this place. Interesting little town here to get out to where that beach and stuff is. Surprised people live here because it does have a distinct odor. That's enough looking at this town. It's time to head for our camping spot that they have picked out. Right, Goldie? Let's head for our camping spot. We must be getting close to our camping spot because we've turned off the main road onto some side roads, and now we're turning into the desert.
Brent, if you want to know what Mexico feels like, this is it. Very similar to Baja right now.
The desert part.
Yeah, the desert.
Away we go down this road into the desert to some camping spot apparently. I'm just following. Not a bad view though. Oh, it looks like they found a spot for us to park right up here. Oh yeah, they're getting turned around. Oh yeah, what a nice spot to park right up on top of this hill. This is wonderful. All right, let's get the car parked. Got my window coverings up already. Have the front covered as well. Let's hop out, take a look around where we're gonna be camping out here in the desert. Beautiful spot. What a view to wake up to in the morning, huh? Dang, so nice. Goldie's over here checking things out, making sure it's okay. Goldie, is it gonna be okay? Can we stay here? Okay. Ron's got his van there. Sarah's got her van set up. And then we got the hot rod Prius. We'll have a fire a little later on, hang out, and then I can hear some stories from Mexico, because these two just got back from Baja. Where? California, Mexico, what?
Baja, California, Baja, Sur, California, Baja, Mexico.
Yeah, all the same thing. What she said. A little better view how we have our van set up than the hot rod for tonight. But man, check out this view. Shoot, this is so nice. Look at that. That's what we're gonna go to bed to tonight and wake up to in the morning. How pretty. And way down there, if you can see it, and way down there, you can see water. That is Salton and Sea. Pretty interesting little area down there. Standing here enjoying some of that sunset. How beautiful is that? So pretty. Good morning. It's a beautiful start of this day here where we camped out last night. You can see everybody's still here this morning. We're just kind of getting the day going. Ron, he's going to get himself packed up and he's going to be heading out, and he's going to be heading to take a drive on historic Route 66, which is pretty cool. And then my friend and I, we're going to be heading somewhere else, which I'm not 100% sure where we're going to be heading. But for now, this is where we're going to leave you in this video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Don't forget to tune in next time, where we're going to have a new adventure for you. So until we see you again next time, peace out.